Hey guys, Kelly here with Live Life Logically with another product review for you. So, I have been seeing this Makiage advertised all over social media and I just had to try it out. If you haven't heard of it, they claim that they can help find the best foundation match for your skin. Now, I've heard that before. I've tried other companies that say that, and I've had some pretty huge mess ups. But what sold me on wanting to try Makiage is the fact that you get to try it before you buy it. So you go online, you do their quiz, they ask you a bunch of different questions, and then they send you your shade. So they'll send you this in the mail, and you have 14 days to figure out if you like it. If you do, they charge your card. If you don't, you can refund or send it back in one of these little, with one of these labels that they send you, or you can request a new shade to be sent out to you. So I received mine, and I was super excited. Look how cute it is. It comes in this box. It stands up on its own. It's just the cutest thing ever. So this is not a makeup tutorial, okay? Just so you know. Disclaimer, warning, this is not a makeup tutorial. I am not a professional makeup artist. I am not a cosmetologist. I do enjoy beauty products and makeup and trying new things. But what you're gonna see here is you're gonna just see me do my skincare routine and using Makiage. So hope you guys enjoy, and let's go find out if this works. Hi there, so here I am. This is what I look like before I get my makeup on in the morning. I got my curlers in. I've already used my moisturizer. I love this Garnier. It's Skin Active, and I love this stuff. I use it in the morning and in the evening. I've also applied some Beautycounter Rejuvenating Eye Cream underneath my eyes. I have my, typically you can see I've got some redness to my face. A lot of it is seasonal because my sinuses get horrible this time of year with the pollen here in South Carolina. But a lot of it, so you can hear my voice too. A lot of it is also because I have that combination oily skin, and in that T-zone is where I experience irritation and stuff like that. So typically I use a Clinique correcting primer, but I was all out of it, so I used my Mary Kay primer. And let's try this stuff, this Makiage. Hopefully this this color that they sent me is right on. So it comes in this cool box, and you open it up, and let's see, my color is 035. And okay, so when you buy it, you get this little instructional booklet, and it kind of tells you the steps of how to apply it. So step 1, moisturize and prime, which I did. Step 2, it says this formula plays well with a rounded full-bodied brush like our number 100 foundation brush. For a lighter coverage, use a sponge. Well, when I was ordering this, I did not know that they recommend that brush. So I looked it up online, and I just wanted to see what it looked like, to see if I had anything in my supplies that was similar to it, and I actually did. And it's the foundation brush by Savvy Minerals from Young Living, and it pretty much looks just like the photo on the Makiage site. So we're going to use that. All right, so it states for step 3, give the foundation some serious stamina by dusting powder across your T-zone. Okay, well, I haven't even applied it yet, so here we go. What I'm going to do is put a few drops in the back of my hand here. It's pretty runny. There you go, there's the color. So you can see those blue veins, because according to that quiz, I have blue veins, which led them to this color. But so there you go. It is kind of a little bit runnier of a consistency than I'm used to. But here we go. I'm gonna kind of blend it in, warm it up. I heard that once from a makeup artist. They said, blend it in, warm it up. Whatever, I just do what I'm told. All right, let's go. Okay, now for you guys, you can see on this, the viewer, it's looking really light. On my end, not too bad. You know, obviously it's definitely getting rid of that redness that I have. It has an interesting smell to it. It almost smells like it has sunscreen in it. And I didn't even look to see if it did. Oh man, I look really white. But you can see that even on your end, you'll notice that the color with the lighting here, I'm facing a window. I usually do this at my my vanity, but we've got the green screen up and we're doing a video shoot later, and so it's kind of in the way. So I decided to sit in front of one of my windows because I get that natural light. So you are seeing a lot of a lighter version of me, but you'll notice that the colors are very, very similar. Like, I usually have to take my foundation and bring it all the way down, but I don't feel the need to do that. So that's kind of cool. Okay, so I said it kind of smelled like an SPF or something. I don't see anything on here that says SPF, but it does say in the little packet that they send you that their formula is 100% cruelty-free. There's a natural matte finish, which is what I'm seeing. There's no dewiness here. You have the option to do buildable medium to high coverage. They have over 50 shades for all skin tones, and it has vitamin E and, oh, I'm gonna mess this up, hyaluronic acid for hydration and anti-aging. I'm all about that. So maybe that's what I'm smelling. It's not a bad smell. It's just a unique smell. Okay, so sorry, I had to let the dogs in again. Sorry, I'm not typically where I tape. I'm in front of my dining room window today, just because I wanted to get some natural light and I couldn't find a spot to set up my makeup in our green room. So I had to let those little fur balls in. All right, so I've applied it all. It probably looks really light on your end. On my end, I'm gonna say it is like almost a perfect match. Like, even on my hand, it's dried and it's, I mean, you can tell it's on there, but it's not a significant difference in shade. Like, it's very, very close to my Casper-like skin tone. So the next thing that I would do is I would use my, my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind for under my eyes. And oh, see, we got some sun coming in. And then I just blend that in. Well, you had to come out, sun, didn't you? Sorry, guys. So I just put a little bit of this underneath in areas that I want to highlight. And then I set everything with my e.l.f. translucent powder. They call it like HD powder to be all fancy. It's just translucent powder. And I am not a makeup snob. Like, I love e.l.f. Okay, so we're just having a little issue with the sun. Again, I'm sitting in front of this window, so I'll try and hurry up. So I had just applied my translucent powder to set everything, and so far so good. I know I probably look pretty light just because of the sunlight that's showing on my face, but on my end it looks pretty good. I don't look horribly pale. I mean, this is actually my skin color, so I am happy about that. So after the translucent powder, I would just take my e.l.f. bronzing powder, and it's a palette, so you can use, you know, whatever shade you want. And just give myself some color now. I think I would rather add, you know, color to my face, like, rather than have a foundation that was too, you know, too dark. And I put it up here because, I don't know, another tip I was told was that you should apply bronzer to where your where the sun naturally hits your face, and then I apply it a little bit under so that I can give myself a skinnier look. And then I do it on my little décolleté, whatever you want to call it. So, yep. And that's it for bronzer. Okay, so then I would do some blush, and I use Beautycounter Powder Blush Duo. I've had this forever, so as you can see, it's cracked. It's now just one blend of whatever color. And again, folks, I am not a makeup professional. I just do what I do to my face. This is not a tutorial on how to do makeup. This is just to see if this Il Makiage is worth it. Okay, so then I would go ahead and do my my eyes. Now, sometimes if I'm doing like a really dramatic look, then I will you know, put some translucent powder underneath my eyes to help with fallout, but I'm not really gonna do much. All right, so I've got my Beautycounter palette. Just gonna use a fluffy brush and use Soft Peach. Again, nothing fancy, folks. This is just like an everyday. Then I'm gonna take some Canon. Go in the crease of my eyes. I really like Beautycounter's makeup. It's good for you, it's good for the environment, and it stays on. Okay, then I'm going to do rich bronze. That's what I'll do today. If you've used Beautycounter before, comment below. I am not a consultant. Just really like their products. Last but not least, I'm going to use cashmere. I'm trying to get this face finished before that sun comes back out. Oh, I still gotta do my eyebrows. Okay, then I would just, you know, sweep away anything. Get a little bit. And then, okay, another Beautycounter product, their Eyebrow Pencil, which I am almost out of, in medium. And it's one of my favorite. Probably my favorite because I have very like thin eyebrows, not from over tweezing or anything, just I just do. I just don't have very thick eyebrows, and it's pretty dead on when it comes to my natural color. It's about nothing too crazy. I have a little mole right here, so sometimes it makes it difficult to make my eyebrows look normal. Okay, and then I would use my eyeliner by Tarte. I love it. It's Sex Kitten eyeliner, and it's almost like a Sharpie. So easy. Let's see. It's like literally, it's like a Sharpie. It makes it really easy. And it stays on like forever. And then last but not least, I use Voluminous Lash Paradise Mascara, and I love this stuff. I don't curl my eyelashes. I don't know why. I just find it annoying. And my eyelashes are pretty long thanks to Roden and Field's Lash Boost. That stuff really works, like for real. So, okay, I'm gonna go finish my hair and then I will come back and hopefully the lighting will be a little bit better, but you'll be able to see. I'm actually really happy with the color. Really gonna get in here. You can see like that is the exact same color. Like, and I barely put anything on my neck. So, all right, I'll be right back. So guys, that was it. I hope that you enjoyed my hair rollers. But yes, that was my little makeup routine using Il Makiage. I do have to say that I am pleasantly surprised with this purchase, and as long as this stays on my face for a good, 12 to 18 hours, I think that I'm going to continue using it because I really do feel like it's a good match. You don't see a line. And it's nice coverage. I do, again, have oily combination skin, and I still don't see any sort of sheen or anything on my skin after applying it, and it's been several hours. So I hope that you enjoyed the review. Comment below if you've tried Il Makiage. Let me know your thoughts. Again, this is not a sponsored post. I purchased this on my own. You can save 10% though by clicking the link below. And I'd love to know your thoughts. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you soon for the next product review on Live Life Logically.